Affiliate marketing tips that will help your business prosper. If it's affiliate marketing that you want to learn about, then you have come to the right place. When it comes to affiliate marketing, it's sometimes the little tips that you know that contributes to your success. Experts and newcomers alike can appreciate any and all tips that come their way, so dive in and digest these useful tips. Make sure you have a strategy before you get into affiliate marketing. You want to prepare a plan of what types of products you want to have available and how you are going to attract attention to your web page. You can't expect to just make a web page and that people will just find it. Plan things out, and it should help with bringing people to your web page. In order to run a successful affiliate marketing business, you have to attract the right consumers to your website. Writing videos that are relevant to the product or products you are selling is an efficient way to do this. For example, if you are promoting natural health remedies, post videos on your website about arthritis, the benefits of natural health remedies, or how garlic can ease joint pain. Consumers looking for information that pertains to the products you are sponsoring are more likely to pull out their credit cards and increase your monthly sales. Look for easy-to-sell products when you first start out. In the beginning, you don't want to be advertising for something no one has ever heard of. It puts pressure on both you and the consumer. The best way to go is to look at what products are currently hot and start with those. Once you have established a base, you can move to more challenging sales. Remember, the more you learn about affiliate marketing, the more potential success you can achieve. You can use and apply the tips you learned from this video to other tips you have learned throughout your affiliate marketing endeavors. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.